So basically, MeraEvents.com is the first Indian web-based portal primarily dedicated for the events, conferences, exhibitions, various events which are happening across India for all the industries. It's the first time portal which is happening in India to covering all the events which is happening all over India. So in every industry of it, And our primary reason is we actually help the organizers to promote the event as well as do the online registration of it, payment gateway, and the reports, what all the required for the organizer. Whereas for the delegates, primarily if you wanted to find out what is the information which is happening in any city, this is the best portal where you can find all the information at one place for all the events which are happening in every city. So for the service provider also, we are helping to promote their businesses under MeraEvents.com. That's primarily all about MeraEvents.com. So basically, when I moved from US to India here, and I was trying to find out what's happening in India, so I would like to attend more events to meet the right industry leaders and the players. It's the best place to be and enhance your knowledge. But it was so difficult to find the information, what's happening. I had to go through newspapers, TV, paper, magazines. Still, you don't find sometimes. So then I found it. Okay, there is a need of in events like this, and that's where I actually come from the idea of MeraEvents.com. Yeah, we launched on October 1st, 2009, and since then, it's a very good, successful thing. And almost 150 different events were promoted through MeraEvents.com, and the increment is around 40 to 50% every month. It is increasing, and events like so many events are registering. The big events like 1,000 people, 500 people. So events are all covered through MeraEvents.com. So no, the MeraEvents.com is across for the Indian events. In every city, you can able to find the information. If you go to our portal, you have a way you can find out by city-wise, by state-wise, by industry-wise, by the organizer-wise. You can easily find out the information in every city of it. So now we would like to, right now we are only based in Hyderabad, but we would like to set up offices in every city, every major city of the city, so that the local persons can actually, the salespeople actually can go and meet the organizers, attend the events, promote the events. So because still many people need to know about MeraEvents.com, so we need to do lot more marketing activities. And we are very good in social media marketing like LinkedIn, Facebook. So that is another way of marketing the activities of it. Basically, the MeraEvents is right now under the Versant Technologies group, and Versant Technologies is a 10-year-old US-based company specialized in more on services side as well as the product side. And one of the product is MeraEvents.com, and we have two other products which are primarily focused for Indian market. For one product called CBizOne India, which is a automated recruitment solution, and we have another product called Centronics, which is a business to business information exchange solution. What it means is basically when a retail company has so many vendors, they will exchange the business information like purchase order, invoicing and shipment right now manually, and we are trying to automate those business processes. Whereas when it comes to services business, we are primarily focused on, we are an Oracle Gold partner, and we are primarily focused in Oracle retail solutions. For example, if you go to a city like Hypercity Mall, where you have so many stores and so many point of sale systems, we actually implement the software behind that kind of a clients, so things like that. So that is where one of the services, the Oracle retail solutions, and another service called electronic data interchange, where our primary focus is US and Middle East market of it. Thank you very much.